Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for opportunity so I can join in this international conference. This time allow me to present the result of our research with title Estrogen receptor status and its correlation with age, tumor size, and histologic grade of invasive ductal type breast cancer in West Nusa Tenggara. Background: some studies have evaluated variation in estrogen receptor, we call ER, by demographic and clinical characteristic in Indonesia. ER is an important biomarker in the routine examination of breast carcinoma. ER is probably the most powerful predictive marker in breast cancer management, both in determining prognosis and in predicting response to hormone therapies. Difference in mortality rate and risk of mortality. The incidence of breast cancer in different countries can be influenced by difference in the clinical and biological profile of the tumor. This profile includes age nulliparity, history of exposure to carcinogenic agent, familial hereditary history, histological type, histological grade, state of hormonal status like ER, PR, HER2, therapy, and outcome. An example is the case of the ER. Cases with ER positive status are often found in Western countries, where patients with estrogen receptor status positive have a better prognosis, and responsive to hormonal therapy. Previous research in several regions in Indonesia, such as Sangla Hospital, Karyadi Hospital, Wahidin Sudirohusada Hospital, and Sutomo Hospital, report that the most of the normal cases of suffer were estrogen receptor negative. Some show no difference in its profile or size based on estrogen receptor status. There was no data on estrogen receptor status and other prognostic factors such as age, tumor size, and histologic grade in West Nusa Tenggara. The aim of this research is to provide the data on ER status profile on invasive ductal type of breast cancer and its correlation with age, tumor size, and histologic grade. The method is 40 tissue block paraffin of subject with invasive ductal type of breast cancer who underwent mastectomy January to July 2017. Data on age, tumor size, and histologic grade were retrieved from pathology department of private and province hospital. Chi-square test and Spearman test was used. ER is determined by immunohistochemistry evaluation and interpreted by Aldred scoring system into positive or negative expression, degree of malignancy according to Nottingham modification of Bloom and Richardson grading system. The result is subject were based on 10 district and cities on the island of Lombok and Sumbawa, West Nusa Tenggara Province. Based on the distribution of the regency of origin, the largest subject population was from Central Lombok, which is 20.5%. 52% were estrogen receptor positive, AR positive, or negative were more likely in 40 until 60 years of group and 2 until 5 centimeter large. Grade 1 is 50.4%, significant relationship between grade and ER. Grade 1 was found the most prevalent estrogen receptor negative. Grade 2 and 3 with estrogen receptor positive 38% and 40.9%. This one is a picture of estrogen receptor positive with show with nuclei brown. This one is AR negative with blue, there's no brown. A total of 21 subjects had positive AR status, 50.5%, and 19 others has negative AR status. We saw that the distribution of subjects based on the AR status group is not significantly different. A total of 27 subjects at 40 years to 60 years when diagnosed, 7 people aged less than 40 years and people aged more 60 years. This showed that the frequency distribution of subjects based on age group is significantly different, where the majority of patients with ductal type breast cancer in West Nusa Tenggara Province are in the age range of 50 to 60 years. The number of subjects who had tumor measuring less than 2 centimeters, 2 until 5 centimeters, and more than 50 centimeters were 9, 20, 24, and 7. We saw that the tumor size group was significantly different for patients with invasive ductal breast cancer in West Nusa Tenggara province mostly had tumor measuring 2 until 5 centimeter. Based on the histological degree, the number of subjects who had degree 1, 2, and 3 were 21, 7, and 12. This showed that the frequency distribution of the subject based on the histological grade group was significantly different, where the majority of patients with invasive ductal type breast cancer in Entebbe province has good histological degree or difference. Discussion is estrogen can stimulate cell proliferation in breast, in normal breast or tumor. Expression of estrogen receptor in carcinoma cell can affect estrogen in cell. Estrogen receptor with estrogen can stimulate cell growth and proliferation of tumor. The frequency of subject who has positive estrogen receptor status in this study was 21 people, or had the same proportion with negative estrogen receptor status. The results of this study are inconsistent with research in several regions, such in Denpasar, in Semarang, in Makassar, and Surabaya, which report that the hormonal status of patient was mostly negative estrogen receptor. The result of this research, according with Vanelli, which research show that percentage of proliferation of cell with AR positive higher than cell with AR negative, but not significant. We saw that based on the AR status of patient with invasive ductal breast cancer in West Nusa Tenggara Barat, West Nusa Tenggara, 55% of them are responsive to hormonal therapy and can benefit from this therapy. In other words, it has a good prognostic and predictable outcome. The difference in the age distribution of subject at diagnosis, tumor size, and histological grade based on AR status in the study were statistically significant. However, both positive and negative AR status is mostly found in 40 until 60 years age group and measured 2 until 5 centimeter. Estrogen receptor negative status was more common in grade 1 or good difference, while positive AR status was mostly found in grade 1 and 3 groups or in good and bad fraction. This is different from other studies where positive AR status correlates with histological degree 1 or 2, while negative estrogen receptor correlates with grade 3 or bad differentiation. This suggests that the majority of cases of invasive ductal breast cancer in West Nusa Tenggara with a poor degree of differentiation should still respond well to hormonal therapy. Our conclusion is breast cancer of ductal type in West Nusa Tenggara exhibits slightly greater proportion of estrogen receptor positive compared to estrogen receptor negative, and estrogen receptor are related to grade. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.